What are some techniques that you think you can be used on a resume to stand out?
Well, you have to understand the hiring funnel. And all this is what changed 10 years ago when the entire industry went to the applicant tracking system. What happened is that you get too many applications, so they had to digitize and automate them. Right. So there's a hiring funnel that has happened recently. And when you understand it, you'll understand what's in a recruiter's mind and how to go about doing this. So they've automated the system through the applicant tracking system, which is a computer algorithms. There's many different ones. There's not just one system. There's lots of different ones. And this computer algorithm does a keyword search, and the employer puts in what the keywords are for the job posting. And then the computer searches your resume and matches yours to see if you have the right keywords. And then they rank them. And they eliminate 75% of all resumes and applications before a human being ever sees them. They just kick them out saying, you don't have a good enough keyword match. No human being is ever going to see your resume. So that's what people, you could apply online forever and nobody ever gets back to you because they've never seen it. The computer kicked it out.
Right.
And once you're one of those 25 or so people that get through the resume reading robot, right? Then a human being, an online recruiter, is going to look at your resume for 7.7 seconds. 7 seconds, which means they're not going to read it. They're going to skim the top half of the first page to see if you meet the criteria. So you have to completely rework a resume, and you've got to create a summary of credentials that all the key hard facts. They're looking for the titles. Yep. That you've had, names of companies, the years that you worked, and for education highlight, what degree you have, and maybe what school. So then they're just going to scan that real quickly. Yep. And then they're going to go, yes, no, and they're going to eliminate over half of those resumes.